Alright folks, welcome back again to the house and welcome to the show. Good to see you. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for keeping it here. Yeah, I need to say thank you to a whole bunch of folks. All of you, every one of you, every single one of you, whether you're a subscriber, new or old, or you're a patron, new or old, every one of you, man, and the things that you do to support this channel is very, very much appreciated. Way more than you know. What are we doing today? Well, we got a box. It was right there in front of you. Did you see it? Make sure I don't dox anyone here. This came yesterday, and I didn't get a chance to open it. Well, I got two over there now. I still got to open. I just haven't had time. I think you guys are going to like this box, though, so stay tuned. I don't ruin it getting it opened. I see a little seam line right here. There we go. But yeah, I appreciate you guys' support, man. I really do. You folks are just wonderful. Every single last one of you. And you folks that send me stuff, I think, I'll just open the top of it here. I think. I won't either. Well, yeah, maybe I can do that. Let's do that. Just open the top right across here. I don't think it was designed to do that. Well, it worked. You folks that send me stuff, man, I'm telling you, I hope you know how much I appreciate every item sent here. Even this box right here. And wait till you see what it is. I mean, just wait until you see what it is. Very well packed. Very well packed. Wow, I'm going to have a hard time getting that out. Let me take some of the packing out first. Well, how is everyone? How y'all doing, man? Having a good summer? Is everything treating you right? Going your way? Wow. Alright, let me get rid of the knife. I don't think I need the knife anymore. Get rid of this. And try to fight this big boy out of here. I'm trying to do it so you can see what it is as it comes out. Hit the bear head there. That bear head's Earl's body. In case you didn't know. This looks like a brand new case. It looks like a brand new case. I'm going to get you and get rid of some of this packing stuff, get it out of the way. I'm going to get you, bring you over here, and I'm not going to open it. We're going to look at it together. So I'm going to be seeing it the first time, you all. Now I'll tell you more about it. Tell you what it is and what it's here for. Hold on. Alright, here we go. A moment of truth. Check that out, man. It says Roadrunner on the case right there. The case looks brand new. It's brand spanking new. It looks like it is. I don't know. Maybe somebody just cleaned it up nice. Well, I see a little place in it right here. But it still looks brand new. Alright, let's get on with it. See what's inside of the case. 2, 3, 4. There's usually one back there. Well, it's a guitar. There's the keys, probably to the case. I bet y'all already know what it is by that big E right there. Right? Wow, it's even packed in the case. Good too. First string's broke, and it looks like new strings. Strings look brand new, man. There is no rust on those strings. Not any at all. It's the first string's broke though. Maybe something cut it. It's broken up above the nut. Let me get it out of here and we'll... Wow, that fits in that case. Get it out of here and we'll look at it closer. Alright, well I got to shut the camera off again obviously. And we'll look at it and see exactly what it is. That's what the headstock looks like. It looks like a new guitar maybe. Hold on, let me get my shit together. I think you can see here what I mean. It looks brand new. I'm going to show you the case before I move it. It looks brand new, other than a couple of little spots right there. Oh, there may be more. I didn't really look good. But check that out, man. Now, that guitar fits in that case like a glove. Go ahead and pop those out of there and see if anything's in here. Light 12. Marquise. M2100 phosphor bronze. Strings. I'll put those keys. What do I do with the keys, man? Here they are. Put those in there too, because I'm sure that goes with the case, for the case. I didn't see a lock on it, but you're right there. That one locks. Alright, let's get the guitar up here and examine it. Well, let's find out what it is. What it is, what it is, what it is. Well, it's a Epiphone. Man, I think that light's completely gone. Oh, there it was. Okay, it's Epiphone Incorporated, Kalamazoo, Michigan. Guarantee void if number is defaced. Made in Japan. Style FT-130. FT-130. Get up here where you can have a better observation of it. Check that out, man. I can see some light scuff marks, pick marks on the pick guard there, but I thought it was new. I mean, if I get around here where you can see the fretboard and the headstock, it just looked brand new at a first glance, and maybe just lightly used a little bit. I don't think it's got electronics in it. It's a bolt-on neck. Check that out. Let me just start right here for the keys. Open back keys. You know, some of these Epiphone guitars are sweet, man. Look at that. Doesn't have any belt buckle rashes that I can see in the camera. Bolt-on neck would be easy, very easy to do a neck reset if you ever had to. Epiphone, got the serial number, Japan. Oh, those are tiny screws too for that neck. Wow. And it's obviously got a truss rod in it. You adjust from up at the peg head. We're not going to do an inspection on this tonight. Just want to make sure it made the trip okay. That's the way I check for loose braces. Well, I get in there and look for them too, but this is one good way to find out. You think you might have one. Check the front, the back. And I'm not hearing any. I'm not hearing. Wow, just check that condition of that thing out, man. It's so shiny, it's hard to look at. I see some very, very light scratches in places on the back, but nothing semi-chrome wouldn't finish. There's what the bridge looks like. Wow. If I turned it up like that, you can read the sticker yourself. And that's what it looks like, folks. Now, let me tell you about it. That first string broke right where it comes out of the key, the peg. It's not broke, it's a nut. It broke right where it came out of the peg. It's an odd place. I'll have to check that, make sure that's not sharp right there. Frets on this guitar, the first, second, and third fret show a tiny bit of wear, but it's nothing to worry about. That'll be good for a long time yet. Depending on how much you play, of course, but wow, these strings look brand new. There's no rust on them. I'll show the guitar to you under that light now. I don't know. I got bright ass lights, going here. That's what it looks like. You can see if I get the light to reflect on it. You can tell by the light reflection it's not cracked or hurt any at all. That's what the headstock looks like. There's the rear of it. You can probably see that better under these lights. Bolt on neck. Look how little those screws are. I guess they hold. I mean, there's some of the light, very light scratches I was telling you about in the back of it. I'll hold it up here where you can see it, then I can see the camera. But that's what, look at that fretboard, man. That fretboard is just, it looks like it's never been played on. Or the frets. Alright, story behind the guitar. It was sent here by a man named Joe. Let's just call him Joe. Well, Joe's his real name, actually. He told me I could tell you that. He's got a YouTube channel. I don't know if I can tell you what his YouTube handle is or not, but I'll find out. Anyway, his name is Joe. He donated this guitar to the house for you guys to have a contest on. And that's what we're going to do with it. When this contest that's going on right now ends, in October, I got it wrote down here because I can't remember too good. October 13th is when it will end. And a lot of y'all voted that wins classical guitar too. The Charvel didn't win by only a few points. So some of you are really interested in that wins classical guitar. So what we'll do is I'll let you vote on it and this guitar when this contest ends, and whichever one gets it, we'll do it. And then this one will go out for a contest eventually. But anyways, you know what it is now. You know, Joe, thank you, by the way. Man, dude, you rock, and I appreciate it from inside, brother. Thank you. And I'm sure everyone's going to thank you, especially whoever wins it. Because it's a dang nice guitar, and it looks like a brand new case. That goes with it. I mean, that's the way it came here, and whoever wins it, that's the way it's going to leave here. I got so many cases of guitars. Why would I want to keep it? I do need to get a case of that Les Paul, though. I gotta do that. I gotta remember and do that. Anyways, you know the story, and I want to say thanks to Joe. I want to say thanks to everyone. I'm not going to name all the name off because, my God, there is so many people send me stuff, man. I don't even show it all on unboxing. Some of it I don't even video at all. I can stand right here and I can pick up two of these and two of these. You know who you are that sent them. I mean, I can just stand right here and pick up all kinds of stuff that people have sent me. Tuners, more tuners, strings, a whole pack of strings. It's everywhere, man. You don't want to forget about this. Wow, that thing's bright. It's everywhere. This, I use this stuff all the time. That's why it's still right here where I can get to it quick. You know, just all kinds of stuff that people send me. And I cannot thank you enough. Somebody sent me that, and you know who you are that sent me this hygrometer. I use it every single day, man. And there's more. I mean, there's way more laying everywhere here. There's two more tuners. You know who sent those, I'm sure. But that's why it stays right here, because I use it all the time. Check this out. I know everyone's name that sent me stuff. I got every letter, love letter that they sent me. Steve, thanks, by the way, for that. Thank all of you, man. It's just too long of a list to go through and mention everyone's name, which brings me to emails and PMs, and wow, I am sorry, I cannot. There's no way. It's impossible to keep up with all of that. I try, but I just can't do it, man. Anyways, thanks every one of you guys for sending me stuff. Thank the subscribers, the new ones, the old ones, the patrons. I'm grateful, guys. I'm touched right there, and I am truly grateful for it. Thank you so much. And so always we'll be very happy. Cheers to y'all. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in a couple or 3 days.